In this video, I'm going to do simplification of a question from the chapter Polynomial class 9th. Well, this question involves expansion using identities, so we can figure out what are the identities. I can see the first part is in the form of a plus b whole cube, and the second part is in the form of a minus b whole cube. Further, we can see that this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, which can be also written as a square minus b square. So let's start by expanding the first part. In the first part, we can write this as x cube plus y cube plus 3 times x square y, right? This is square 3 times x square y plus 3 times x y square. That's for the first part. Now, if you see for the next part, you can see this is in the form of a minus b whole cube. So it will be x cube minus y cube minus 3 times x square y, but plus 3x y square. Make sure you should notice this, there is a plus in the identity of x minus y whole cube. Now for this part, we will write this is minus 6y copied, and applying a plus b, a minus b, I can write this as x square minus y square. First, we will open the bracket. So this is x cube plus y cube plus 3 times x square y plus 3 times x y square. And as you open the bracket, you know that the sign will get reversed. Every term will now have opposite sign. So it will become negative x cube and then positive y cube, positive 3x square y, and then negative 3x y square. Now for the later part or the last part, if I expand, it will be 6 times x square y. And now this minus and minus get multiplied. So it will give you positive 6y cube. Now we need to figure out the like terms. But I can see the like terms here. X cube, this x cube will get cancelled with this x cube, right? Because they are of opposite sign. So this x cube, if I cancel, I can see that there are more terms that can be cancelled. This is 3 times positive 3 times x y square, and this is negative. Now, rest we need to copy the whatever is left. So I can see y cube plus this is y cube and this is y cube, that is 2 times y cube, and there is one more y cube, that is 8 times y cube, right? So I can highlight in what are the terms we are going to add. One is this. The second one, there is another y cube over here, right? And then, so altogether, this is 1y cube, 2y cube, and 6y cube. That's why I wrote 8y cube. And for these two, if added, we'll get how much? This is, if on adding these two, we'll get 6 times x square y. And then copying this one, it is minus 6 times x square y. Now, even these get cancelled because we'll cancel these two. So finally, what we'll be left with is 8y cube. So that will be the final answer after simplifying this.